Orisha Logun Ede, the Orissa of duality, beauty, and prosperity. Logún Edé, the child of Oshun and Oshun, embodies the balance between opposites, land and water, masculine and feminine, strength and grace. As a deity who seamlessly transitions between hunting and fishing, Logún Edé's presence in the 16 Odu Meji reflects themes of adaptability, resourcefulness, and harmony in duality. His energy inspires creativity, prosperity, and self-awareness, making him a guide for those navigating the complexities of identity and purpose. Orisha Logun Ede, the androgynous hunter and fisherman, embodies the perfect balance between two worlds, land and water, masculinity and femininity, solitude and society. He carries the dual legacy of Oshun and Oshun, ruling over both wealth and survival, beauty and strength, mystery and precision. His presence within the 16 Odu Meji reflects his fluidity, adaptability, and mastery over both abundance and the hunt. In Eji Agba, Logún Edé represents divine favor and the blessings of prosperity. He teaches that success comes to those who know when to act and when to remain still, just as a hunter waits for the perfect moment to strike. In Oyeku Meji, he reveals the hidden depths of destiny, showing that transformation is always possible, even in times of loss. His connection to water reminds us that life flows in cycles, and what is taken away will be restored in due time. Iwari Meji highlights his role as the silent observer, using intelligence and patience to overcome obstacles. Logún Edé's presence here teaches that strategy is more powerful than force, and true success comes from knowing both one's strengths and limitations. In Odi Meji, Logún Edé appears as the guardian of secrets, embodying the mystery of dual identity. He teaches that embracing both masculine and feminine energies within oneself leads to true self-mastery. Irison Meji reveals his connection to initiation and the transmission of hidden knowledge, showing that those who seek his wisdom must first prove their worth through dedication and discipline. Onren Meji portrays him as a force of unexpected wealth, capable of turning misfortune into prosperity. However, his gifts come with a warning. Those who are careless with their blessings risk losing them as quickly as they came. In Obara Meji, Logún Edé manifests as the giver of abundance, showing that balance between effort and opportunity is the key to sustaining wealth. He teaches that riches are not just material, but also found in wisdom, relationships, and self-awareness. Okonren Meji emphasizes his warrior aspect, revealing that while he is often peaceful, he is also a fierce protector when challenged. His presence in this Odu reminds us that even those who prefer peace must sometimes fight for what is right. Ogunda Meji connects him to the hunt, where he thrives as a strategic warrior, blending patience with swift, decisive action. Here, he teaches that preparation is the foundation of success, and those who rush without foresight will fail. In Osa Meji, Logún Edé's mystical side emerges, guiding those who seek answers through divination and intuition. His presence in this Odu suggests that understanding one's fate requires both logic and spiritual insight. Ika Meji highlights his role in healing, particularly through water, plants, and nature's remedies. As the son of Oshun, he holds the knowledge of both medicinal and mystical cures. Oturupan Meji portrays him as the master of diplomacy, showing that his charm and eloquence allow him to navigate complex situations with ease. His influence in this Odu reminds us that sometimes words are a more powerful weapon than swords. In Otura Meji, Logún Edé teaches the importance of adaptability, showing that true mastery comes from embracing change rather than resisting it. He is the embodiment of transformation, moving effortlessly between the river and the forest, between solitude and community. Irate Meji reveals his role as the guardian of sacred knowledge, teaching that wisdom is reserved for those who seek it with pure intentions. Oze Meji highlights his connection to ritual and celebration, showing that honoring one's spiritual path brings harmony and blessings. Finally, in Ofun Meji, Logún Edé represents the ultimate balance of duality, reminding us that all forces, light and dark, masculine and feminine, action and stillness, are necessary for growth. He teaches that wholeness is not found in choosing one path over the other but in embracing both. Across all 16 Odu Meji, Logún Edé demonstrates that success, beauty, and wisdom belong to those who understand the art of balance. His lesson is clear. Mastery of life requires knowing when to move and when to be still, when to chase and when to wait, when to lead and when to follow. Odu Ogbe Meji, the duality of beginnings. In Odu Ogbe Meji, Lógun Edé's duality shines through, as he helps individuals harness both their inner strength and emotional sensitivity to embark on new journeys. Myths recount Lógun Edé teaching a group of young hunters to use rivers as a resource, balancing the skills of the land with the bounty of the waters. This Odu reminds the Quorant to embrace all aspects of themselves in pursuing their goals. Odu Oyeku Meji, the cycle of renewal. Lógun Edé's energy in Odu Oyeku Meji represents the renewal that follows endings. Myths tell of Lógun Edé using his adaptability to lead a struggling village to a fertile land by navigating both forests and rivers. His presence in this Odu encourages embracing change and trusting the cycles of life. Odu Iwari Meji, communication as a tool for balance. In Odu Iwari Meji, Lógun Edé teaches the importance of balanced communication. Myths describe Lógun Edé mediating between rival communities, using his charm and eloquence to foster peace. This Odu emphasizes that effective communication requires both clarity and empathy. Odu Odi Meji, harmony in family and community. Lógun Edé collaborates with Yemoja in Odu Odi Meji to promote harmony within families and communities. He demonstrates the value of nurturing relationships while standing firm in one's convictions. Myths recount Lógun Edé mediating conflicts within a family, teaching that balance is essential for unity. This Odu highlights the importance of emotional intelligence and adaptability in maintaining harmony. Odu Irisan Meji, connection to the spiritual realm. In Odu Irisan Meji, Lógun Edé's dual nature bridges the physical and spiritual worlds. Myths tell of Lógun Edé guiding a lost fisherman to safety by interpreting spiritual signs in nature. This Odu underscores the importance of staying attuned to one's intuition and the natural world for guidance. Odu Oonran Meji, prosperity through creativity. In Odu Oonran Meji, Lógun Edé's resourcefulness brings prosperity. Myths describe Lógun Edé teaching merchants to diversify their trades, blending skills from both land and water-based economies. His presence in this Odu encourages innovation and adaptability in pursuing wealth and stability. Odu Obara Meji, the light in adversity. In Odu Obara Meji, Lógun Edé brings light and optimism to difficult situations. Myths recount how he inspired a struggling artist to create a masterpiece by blending elements from different disciplines. This Odu emphasizes the importance of creativity and positivity when facing challenges. Odu Okonran Meji, the path to self-discovery. Lógun Edé's role in Odu Okonran Meji focuses on self-discovery through exploration. He guides the Quorant in balancing their masculine and feminine energies, embracing their full identity. Myths tell of Lógun Edé aiding a warrior to integrate his softer qualities, leading to greater success and fulfillment. This Odu highlights the transformative power of self-awareness. Lógun Edé in Odu Ogunda Meji. In Odu Ogunda Meji, Lógun Edé's adaptability is a key theme. He is depicted as a guide who teaches individuals to balance opposing forces, such as land and water or strength and grace, to achieve their goals. Myths tell of Lógun Edé leading a group of hunters through treacherous terrain, blending his skills of hunting and fishing to ensure their survival. This Odu encourages the Quorant to embrace flexibility and creative problem-solving. Odu Osa Meji, justice in duality. In Odu Osa Meji, Lógun Edé collaborates with Ayami Asaranga to maintain justice and balance. His ability to navigate opposing forces ensures fairness and harmony. Myths recount Lógun Edé uncovering deceit in a marketplace and restoring order. This Odu emphasizes the importance of maintaining ethical standards. Odu Ika Meji, adaptability in uncertainty. In Odu Ika Meji, Logún Edé's adaptability guides the Courant through uncertain times. Myths tell of him leading a village to safety during a flood, blending his knowledge of terrain and water currents. This Odu teaches that flexibility and creativity are vital for overcoming obstacles. Odu Oturupan Meji, balance in relationships. In Odu Oturupan Meji, Logún Edé fosters harmony in relationships by teaching compromise and mutual respect. Myths recount his role in resolving disputes between warring clans, using his charm and strategic thinking to broker peace. This Odu highlights the importance of cooperation and understanding in maintaining strong connections. Odu Otura Meji, the Guide to New Beginnings. In Odu Otura Meji, Logún Edé's energy inspires the Courant to embrace new opportunities with confidence. Myths describe him helping a fisherman rebuild his livelihood after a storm, symbolizing renewal and hope. This Odu encourages taking bold steps toward a brighter future. Odu Ayerte Meji, advocating fairness. In Odu Ayerte Meji, Logún Edé ensures fairness and justice in dealings. Myths tell of him intervening to protect a vulnerable individual from exploitation, demonstrating his commitment to equity. Logún Edé in Odu Oze Meji. In Odu Oze Meji, Logún Edé's energy manifests as the ability to balance dualities, land and water, action and rest, to create harmony and prosperity. Myths tell of Logún Edé helping a village find balance in their resources, leading to wealth and abundance. This Odu emphasizes adaptability and creative problem-solving as keys to success. Odu Ofun Meji, the bringer of renewal. In Odu Ofun Meji, Logún Edé symbolizes the renewal that comes with balancing opposites. Myths describe him guiding a community to prosperity by teaching them to harmonize their diverse skills and resources. This Odu reminds the Courant that true growth arises from embracing both strength and grace.